Good morning. I am just in my closet right now filming content. Been up since like 6 in the morning. I just feel like I get so much more done in the morning. I don't know how early you guys wake up, but there's something about just waking up at 6 when the sun is rising and I'm just having my coffee. It's quiet. That's probably what I like most about it, just the quietness. And I usually just do some cleaning and get ready for lots of content, reels, new collections. I feel like I have the most energy in the mornings too, but I wanted to show you guys my new launch. I'm so excited. I just got back from Laguna Beach. I have lots of photos and just like short videos to share with you. It was amazing. It was like the most beautiful scenic location to have an event. It was absolutely breathtaking. It was at this like little hidden cove and we stayed at the Montage Hotel, which I'm just saying, if you guys ever go to Laguna Beach, stay at the Montage. The service there was like 10 out of 10. I can't even tell you. Every single person that works there was just above and beyond. Like we were all saying how amazing the service was. But even like getting ready for the event, we had to lug everything down there to this like hidden beach area that had a crazy amount of set of stairs. So they like helped us bring all our stock on the trolleys and it was just honestly so nice. I actually brought these from the event. They were on the table with the little bows. They look so cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, just sitting you guys on the tripod for a second because I wanted to show you guys these beads I just bought. So I bought these I was looking for them for our living room area, which I'll show you after. I have white and pink, but they worked really well for the event too. I'll link them down below. They're just from Amazon and they were really price friendly. And then also these, I know I'm gonna get asked so many questions. They're from Temu. They're so cute. And you could put coffee in them or makeup brushes, obviously. They're just very aesthetic, very pretty. And of course, I'm gonna be getting ready today with my new brushes. And I'm not gonna lie, I've been hiding these for over a year now from you. It's been so hard, like when I have to film and then throw them into my drawer just so I don't ruin the surprise. But they are, like, they perform so well. I can't even begin to explain how great quality these brushes really are, and there's such a heaviness to them as well. They're very luxurious and I'm just honestly blown away with how perfect the color turned out. You guys know I love that. Like, actually a friend of mine said like it reminds her of Malibu Barbie, and I totally agree. That's why it's like that perfect spring into summer color. It really is. It really is. And some of these brushes in here are just perfect for every day. Like, this is really all you need. This is all I brought on my trip. This is all you need. You have your foundation, which this is the most amazing foundation brush. You have your Expert Face, which is a beautiful tapered powder brush. You have this one, which is more of a flat powder. This is amazing for like underneath the eyes. And then we have this powder brush. You can just see the difference here, really tapered, great for underneath the eyes as well. And then personal favorite is the angled contour, this one right here. And then the blush, this one I've been using with the Rare Beauty blushes, the new luminous ones. So nice to apply, you guys. Oh, and the two, I love these two. Like this big blender I use for down my nose, and this one's perfect for the crease. There we go, we're focusing now. I also have been using these shopping bags for years now, and it's like the perfect color for this launch, so I was really excited about that. But I love these bags. They're so pretty, and I made them a really long time ago for an event that I had, and then I had a lot left, and I've just been using them for all my events now, so that's been nice. I also had so many questions about this sweater. I haven't shown it yet in a video, but I brought it on my trip. I wore it so many times. I don't wear green often, but this green is like my favorite shade of green, that really light minty color. So this was also from Temu. I can link it down below. I am going to quickly grab everything though to get ready. I'm just having a full work day, and then I have a lunch with a good friend. which I'm really excited. I'm going to gift her my collection, and she's a beauty girl, so I'm really excited. But yeah, I'm going to get ready with these brushes today. I have 2 of these lip oils. I'm actually going to be giving a 3rd one away for a giveaway coming soon, so I'm really excited about that. I just have to get it together. I like to gift like a lot of things at once, so that's why it takes me a bit to do a giveaway. We have lots of products in here, foundations. I've been mixing them because I got a spray tan for my trip, so I'm a little darker. You can see my arms here, my super veiny hands. But the new blushes are right here too, which I've been obsessed with from Rare Beauty, so I'm gonna just get ready with you guys. This is what happens too when I'm filming. My makeup vanity turns into a complete disaster. So if I have time in this video, I definitely will do like a little cleaning sesh, which I think I will. There's something so therapeutic about a nice cleaning session, so I definitely want to do that. I already posted a reel, but it was of my kitchen, which I also love, but I love the makeup vanity too. Okay, I'm almost done getting ready. I just have to do my lips, but I also got these. I don't know what to use them for, but they're so cute. Any ideas? There's just like a ribbon. I don't even know what they were, but I bought them and I just thought they were really cute. Also picked up the girls these cute little unicorns from the airport at LAX, and they're so cute. They're gonna go in their room. I also got them cookies from my friend Diana that made them for our event, and some other little like keychains and stuff. Okay, so this is the other beads that I was talking about that I bought. This one's like a really nice neutral color. I'll link this one down below too. And then the pink. Yeah. Goodness, I keep sneezing. My allergies are so bad in the spring. Whew. But I have lots of the pink dual right here. I've been taking photos and videos, and usually my office is just like a disaster. That's why I don't show it that often, because I film so much content in here. But I've got my collection right here, which you guys have seen lots. So I'm really, really excited for this. I just think it's such a girly and fun spring summer launch. And I also have this massive vase. Like, I haven't gotten anything for it yet. I don't know what. I guess you could put like a candle in here maybe. This guy living his best life again. Good morning, Baba. This is actually the next day. My video camera died yesterday, so I had to charge it. I just made myself coffee. I've been up since 6 getting my store ready for, well, this is gonna go up today. So the launch is tomorrow. Today's Thursday. Tomorrow is Friday, and my dual pink collection is launching. Sorry, the girls are talking downstairs. Gonna bring them to school in a minute, but I'm so excited, you guys. There's lots of little clips that I got from the launch, and it was honestly so special, and I love this collection so much. I've been using this for the past year, and these are just the girliest, prettiest brushes I have ever seen, and they also perform extremely well, and the bristles are so soft. I can't get over how well these perform. And again, there's like weight to them, so it's really nice, luxurious when you're getting ready in the morning, and I just can't wait. So if you guys are placing an order today, you can use the coupon code DUAL for 20% off. I'll leave a coupon link down below in the description as well. But yeah, if you do purchase one, let me know down in the comments and just say hi, give a little shout out, and I just am always so grateful for all your support, your love over the years. This is like gonna be my 10th year now of running my business, which is just crazy to me, but it's so nice and rewarding doing something that I truly love and that I'm passionate about. I can't see myself doing anything else. I truly love what I do in designing new products, makeup brushes, and just accessories that you guys can use every day. So again, that gets me to the, sorry, my phone's going off like crazy, the beautiful case that it comes with. So this is actually a brush case. So it's really great because you can store all your brushes in it, but then you can also put makeup in this too. For when you're traveling. And it reminded me of the brush books, so just really neat that I can bring something like that back. And then you can also fill it with, you can even put like jewelry in this too, or if you have like a little jewelry case, it could fit in here. And then also your brushes and your makeup, your skincare, a little bit of everything. And as always, I have the little bags that they come in as well. These are great to put anything into when you're traveling. I reuse them all the time, so that's why I keep doing it. But again, yes, thank you guys so much for all the love. And I have, again, so many clips to share with you from Laguna Beach. It was beautiful. I miss it. I can't believe it was only 2 days. Let me know in the comments where you'd like me to go next for my next launch. It's always nice to go somewhere I've never been before. It's not too far from here. It was only a 3-hour plane ride, so that's not too bad. But yeah, I hope you guys are having a fantastic week. I have some vlogs coming out this week, shopping ones, because spring is coming, summer is coming. It's finally stopped snowing here in Calgary. That was the first time actually that I've had sun hit my face in what feels like forever. But yeah, I've got my coffee. I'm going to go enjoy this and get ready for this new launch, and I can't wait. So if you guys are placing an order, I really am appreciative, excited, and again, I love when you guys show me pictures of like your Slmissglam collections growing. That also just makes me so happy because there's been so many collections over the years. I don't even know what number this would be. I kind of want to like figure that out, how many brush collections I've launched. I know it's over 20. It's definitely over 30 if I'm including Ipsy, but it's been a long journey, and it's been really special and memorable, and I'm really excited for this new launch. So I do have to go. I was gonna talk on here and do like a chit chat girl talk, but again, mom world comes into place and I have to take the girls to school. But again, that will be my next video, so make sure you guys stay tuned. If you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you're following me now. I do reels weekly and I push a lot of content on there, so come say hi. And also, if you have not yet subscribed, I'd love for you to join the fam. And of course, I will see you guys in my next vlog.